Hello again, my reading champions. How are you all doing today? Well, it's part 2 of our blending sounds. I hope you have learned a lot from our blending lessons in part 1. We are now in part 2 of our letter blending, Phonics for struggling readers. Let's have a short review on the letter sounds we had in part 1 before we proceed to the next. A, S. Now, here are the letter sounds we're going to blend today. A, R, A, R. Now, let's blend them together. A, R, air, silent I. Air, I can feel the air. Wonderful children, I'm so happy for you. Ray, silent Y. Ray, my name is Ray. Race, silent Y. Race, the rays of the sun. Race, silent I and E. Raise, I raise my hand. Excellent! You did great, children! Now, let's change the positions of the letters. A, Fame, silent E. Fame. Albert Einstein is still wearing his fame today. Fair, silent I. Fair play. Fair, silent E. Fair, I pay my fare. Bravo, children! Excellent! Here's another blending with the A sound. A, Safe. Silent E. Safe. I am safe with my mask on. R. R. A. A. R. R. Rare. 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 Silent E. Rare. These animals are rare. Good job! So proud of you, children. And now let's review the lessons that you have learned. A, S. A, F, R. Air, air. Ray, ray. Race, race. Raise, raise. Fame, fame. Fair, fair. Fair, fair. Safe, safe. Rare, rare. Perfect! Now you can read. Oh, amazing! And now let's blend the letters with a short A sound. Ah. Ah. Fam. 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 I love my fam. Ah. Ah. Far. 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 The sun is far. Ah. Ah. Mars. 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 Mars is one of the planets. Ah. Ah. Ram. 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 A ram has big horns. Super excellent! I'm so proud of you. And now let's review the words with a short A sound. Fam. Fam. Far. Far. Mars. Mars. Ram. Ram. Good job! Keep it up, children. This time, let's review the words with a long A and short A sound. Air. Air. Ray. Ray. Race. Race. Raise. Raise. Fame. Fame. Fair. 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 Safe. Safe. rare, rare. Fam, fam. Far, far. Mars, Mars. Ram, ram. Awesome! I can really say that you can read now. All right, this time you'll be reading by yourself. Magnificent! Bravo! All right, this time let's read these words into phrases. Safe air, safe air. Air fair, airfare. Rare fair, rare fair. Safe race, safe race. Race fam, race fam. Rare ram, rare ram. Marvelous! Way to go, children! This time, let's use these phrases into sentences. My fam is safe. Race ram is safe. Race ram is rare. I am fair. I am rare. I am far. I raise my fare. I raise my fam. Mars is far. My fam is far. My air is safe. Pretty awesome! You see, with this technique, reading is super easy. Amazingly, you have learned to blend the long and short A sound with just 4 letters, M, S, F, R. And you were able to read or blend syllables and read words, phrases, and finally sentences. Keep on repeating this and master how you did by blending these letters together. Thank you so much for being with me in our lessons today. I hope you will like, share it to your relatives and friends, and of course subscribe to get updated for my upcoming videos. Please watch out for the part 3. God bless you all. See you soon!